You like Uncle?
What's going on?
Oh, he's talking.
Hi. Oh. Oh. Hi.
Max, what is that hairy beast?
You're sitting up. You're sitting up.
That's bad. Don't you dare. Don't you
Whoa,
dare.
where are you going? Where are you going?
They can take them. Don't you dare bring them around.
Look at you. Yeah, you're chilling. Yeah. You like chilling like this. Huh?
Tom,
You're comfortable.
what are you doing?
I'm going to take
You're
them.
comfortable. Yeah.
He's gonna eat you. Look at him.
Oh, he's so little and cute. Whoa!
I know. What's he doing?
Whoa!
Say, look at my cheeks.
Whoa! Where are you going? Look at you. You got a little scared there for a second.
Make him laugh.
Hi. Hi. How are you?
You could be a web sensation.
Hi.
Did you see that
Yeah.
little baby that was startled?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, what was that? What was that?
Starts laughing.
Hi. Yeah.
You ready, guys?
Hi.
Really talking to you.
Hi. How are you? Oh.
I'm trying to come
Oh.
with you.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mom.
Yeah.
Hi. What?
What do you mean?
What are you saying? What are you saying? Huh? Huh? Hi. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? What is this guy?
Cold air.
The cold air got you. You got a rush of cold air and he's like stiff like this. Bless you.
Bless you. That was like crazy looking.
Bless you. Oh, she got a wide angle shot of that, please.
She said she did. She got his arms.
There's some arms in it.
Hi.
There's a baby out there.
Whoa.
And he's carrying everything like this. I'm like...